Yeah. Hi, Raj.
Hi.
Yes, small clarification. Like we have a self join available in SQL. So can we do that kind of results in Tableau directly? So
Yeah, you
without doing any
can. Self join is. I think I put a video in my channel as well on self join.
Acha.
Yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter. Now let me go to the data source. EMP DGPT data sources. So this is my EMP table, right? Now, in general, EMP, if you know this EMP, there is a self join which is based on MGR core. I'm bringing
Yes.
EMP table again. Here manager, and here it is employee number. Generally, it's an error because something is like data type might be the problem. So both I'll convert into string so that the problem will not arise. Yeah, so this is your self join.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to join with employee with managers.
That depends on that table. Now this here, yes, I'm doing here. This side it is manager, and this is it is employee number. But yours might be different.
But you are getting employee one is a like the same table, or you are just pulling like suppose you have only one employee table.
Yes,
then
you can even pull it again.
Okay, we can able to drag again.
Yeah. Even like in SQL, we will be using the same table any number of times that we want.
Yes.
The same way you can do it. Because see, Tableau is not that. Tableau, in a way, Tableau is a visual representation of SQL. That's it.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.